In this tutorial, I will show you the fixes for the volume button not working on iPhone. First, remove the case and clean the volume button of your iPhone. To clean the volume button on your iPhone, first turn off the device and remove the case carefully. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl alcohol. Press for more times like this, then gently wipe around the volume button to remove dust and grime. Use a soft brush or cotton swab dipped in alcohol for tight spots. Let the area dry completely before reattaching the case and securing it around the phone. This simple cleaning keeps your volume button functioning well and looking clean. If it is still not working, then check volume button settings, launch the settings app on your iPhone, scroll to sounds and haptics option. Enable the toggle change with buttons to green, and check I can change the volume level using the side button. Restart your iPhone if your volume level is stuck and doesn't increase or decrease. Open the control center from the top right corner and see the power off button. Touch and hold on to the button until you feel the haptic and see the slide to power off slider on the screen. Swipe to turn it off, wait for 10 seconds, and turn it on using the side power button. Press and hold until you see the Apple logo. If it still doesn't work, then reset all settings. This will reset your iPhone's settings, and no data or media will be deleted. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to the General option. Scroll to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Again, tap on Reset option and reset all settings from menu. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode again. Tap on Reset all settings on the confirmation pop-up. Your iPhone will reboot once and check again your volume button is working or not. You should keep your iPhone updated to the latest iOS version. Launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to General and Software Update. Download and install pending software update to your iPhone. If you feel it may be hardware damage, then I recommend diagnosing with Apple support or booking an appointment online via chat, email, or phone to get free repair and replacement if your iPhone is under warranty. Check the video description to know the warranty. Until you can use your iPhone touch button appear on the screen. Under the device, see Volume Up and Volume Down button. Launch the Settings app and scroll to Accessibility Settings. Scroll and tap on the Touch option and tap on the Assistive Touch option. Enable the toggle Assistive Touch and see touch buttons on your iPhone screen. Tap on the volume button under the touch button to increase or decrease the volume of your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't miss to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.